Hi Virgo, this is your next 7 days reading starting from 12th May to the 18th of May. I'm going to look at this time period for you to understand what energies are coming in at this time for you. What I see in your reading out here, first of all, I'll take these energies. I'm seeing two big energies of 9 and 9. This is one is spiritual strength, that is the 9 of wands, and another is material harvest, that is of 9 of pentacles. So this means, as you see in the card, that you have the necessary strength, you have the spiritual guidance and spiritual energies that keep you afloat in times of difficulty, and also the practical support of the external support, that is of money, that is of your work, that is of your experience, that is of your knowledge, that keeps you afloat in times of difficulty. So there is a situation that you have either crossed over or you are in at this time, so it is of disruption, and another is of shadow. So this is tower and this is the moon. So tower and the moon combined is giving you an energy of surprise disruption. It is surprise of some sort that is causing some revelation, it is causing some shadow energy, it is causing you some disruption, problem, it is causing you some kind of pain, fear in this time period. So or you are scared about some fear or upheaval that is coming in the future. So you are feeling that energy from within and you are scared about it, but you have the protection, you have the spiritual help that is coming to you, spiritual energy of strength and material harvest which is coming to you in any case. So 9 and 9, so 9 and 9 is a very strong number. It is giving you strength in a period of displacement, period of surprise, period of unpleasant surprises or that you are fearing. So basically there is going to be a transformation in your energies, either it has already happened. So transformation is all about ending of what was trending for a long time. So ending of a situation is either feared or is taking place. This is painful for you, but you will succeed because you have the 9 of pentacles. This is that energy of material harvest, the energy of having enough, energy of self-reliance. So this is Venus in Virgo energy. You are very, very strong with your practical maybe your economy, maybe your support with your partner, and you are going to get through this energy of transformation with accelerated action. So accelerated action sometimes in tarot, usually in tarot is the 8 of wands. So 8 of wands is going to bring in accelerated action and progress. So number 8 coming for you, this is also financial success, progress in life. This is about information coming to you which is going to add to your progress. It is going to bring in positive energies of movement forward. So 8 of cups energy, positive energy of movement forward. So wherever you were fearful, stuck, or in your mind doubting your situation, a positive energy of movement forward with accelerated motion is coming to you. This is taking you towards the recognition and reward position. So this is something new that you are going to achieve in this week. So recognition and reward is coming to you because in a situation of emotional loss that you have gone through because of that shadow and the disruption energy, the tower and the moon energy, you have gone through the losses, the emotional losses, but you are moving away from that with a positive movement and accelerated motion. And this is happening with the throat chakra. So what is this throat chakra? Throat chakra is about all about throat, yes, but this means that I can speak. This is the card which says that I can speak. So you can speak about a situation in this time period. You can find your voice in this time period. You can essentially perform with your clear audience. So clear audience is listening carefully and then saying the things that are required at this time period. So for some of you, this can be talking with your partner, straight talking. This can be talking to a panel of people. This could be talking back to your boss. This could be talking to your friends. This could be talking to your brother, sister, your family members. This could be anything connected to your voice, and you will find your voice, you will say it, and you are going to make some changes in your life that are going to be connected with your clairaudience capability. And with the recognition and reward, I am seeing that finally you are going to get that reward. There is no need to be fearful, because there are circumstances that are displacing you, disrupting your life, or have already taken this a toll on you. But there is something which is going to end, that is going to bring in your prosperity, your reward, your work being recognized, and you are finding your voice in this time period. So there is Page of Wands, that is enthusiasm coming back to you, and this is coming back to you because you decided to leave something behind and move towards your targets with positive action. With the Ace of Wands, you will find the a new idea, innovation, the passion to move forward, and with the hope energy coming for you. So the hope energy is star. So the star energy is coming to you, bringing in great optimism in this week for you, Virgo. And your outcome is that from the energy of being defensive, Four of Pentacles is defensive, Four of Pentacles is conventional, Four of Pentacles is holding on to things, holding things in fear. But at this time, with the Empress energy, I am seeing that you are more expansive. You have decided to assert. You have decided to attract. You have decided to attract abundance and love. You have decided to grow. And that is the energy which is coming in this week for you. And how is it coming? It is coming with Uranus. So Uranus is your ninth house energy. Uranus is at this time in the house of Taurus, and it is your ninth house. So ninth house is all about expansion. So Uranus, what does it do to a house? So the aspect is that in ninth house, this can be connection to the outside world. This can be moving away from current situation to great other lands, greater pastures in life. So surprise or be surprised. Be ready to shift gears. It's time to experiment and try a fresh approach. Or new road entirely. If your life were a garden, now would be the time to scatter handful of diverse seeds, water them all, see what grows robustly, and weed the rest later. Urgent anxiety can be a symptom of Uranus as well. So you will be having some restlessness. So rather than just flailing about looking for the root cause, ask what change would actually solve this problem. What looks like a disaster at this time may bring a wild opportunity for you. If you are thrown in a sudden or shocking change, assume that you are being tossed out of the nest into potentially a heroic journey in your life. Chaos can be an important catalyst, and unnerving moment caught between forms. So, the discomfort allows and propels you to transform because your most authentic, eccentric self, you are just eccentric self is what is needed at this time. So challenges Uranus electrifies. It may feel like your finger is stuck in an electric socket. You are anxious to change, but you can spin your wheels until your shift happens. So the gift of this Uranus is prepare for an evolutionary leap in your life. Shocking circumstances can force you to engage your own gifts you didn't know you had. Help you transform. You are not those external attributes in transformation. You are not those external attributes in transformation. So you will not dissolve. A caterpillar is still internally the same creature once it becomes a butterfly. So nothing is going to change. I'm telling you, there is a shocking moment in your life. It can feel like an emotional loss, but you have the necessary things that you require in this disrupting environment, that is your spiritual strength and your material strength. So both will help you to ward off anything that is trying to shake you, and nothing will change inside. Something will change externally that is good for you. So Virgo, this is your reading. If you have liked this reading, please like, share and subscribe. If you have something to say to me, write it in the comment box. People who are going through difficulties can always contact me for a personal reading. These readings are prepaid, pre-booked and pre-slotted. Decide and then contact me. People who keep getting their readings from me personally, you should always take your time between your readings, because the cards will say the same thing. So some of you keep coming back to me, but I would encourage those who are coming for the first time, or who are coming after years, or who are coming after 6 months. So then your energies are well taken into account. If you keep coming to me, it's like someone who is giving you some psychological therapy, because nothing new to predict kind of energy. So take your time between your personal readings and then contact me. Thanks for watching. Keep watching this channel, Tarot Priestess 1313. Bye bye.